Collocations Uncovered: Mastering Applied Sciences Vocabulary. Hello, learners! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about exploring the English language in depth. Today, we're diving into an exciting and highly practical topic: collocations in applied sciences. Collocations are simply words that frequently go together, and in the context of applied sciences, they can be instrumental in understanding complex scientific theories, discussions, and literature. Before we delve into subject-specific collocations, let's quickly revisit what collocations are. In English, collocations refer to a natural combination of words that are often used together in a specific order. They make your English sound more fluent and natural. For example, we say, "make a decision," instead of "do a decision." In the same way, there are many collocations that are specific to the realm of applied sciences. Applied sciences include several branches like engineering, technology, computer science, and more. Each of these branches uses specific sets of words together. Let's look at some of these. 1. Conduct an experiment. This phrase is commonly used in the scientific world, where conduct is the action being performed and an experiment is the subject or object on which the action is performed. 2. Compile data. This refers to the act of gathering or assembling data in an organized manner. 3. Draw a conclusion. In science, after conducting an experiment or a study, scientists often draw conclusions, meaning they interpret and summarize the results. Let's see how to use these collocations in sentences. 1. Conduct an experiment. For our physics project, we decided to conduct an experiment on the law of inertia. 2. Compile data. We had to compile data from numerous sources to create a comprehensive report on global warming. 3. Draw a conclusion. Based on our research findings, we were able to draw a conclusion about the impact of deforestation on local biodiversity. By incorporating these collocations into your language, you can communicate more effectively in the world of applied sciences. That's it for today. We hope you found this video helpful in enhancing your understanding of collocations in applied sciences. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice and exposure, so don't shy away from scientific literature. Keep practicing, and you'll soon sound like a native English-speaking scientist. Until next time, keep learning.